Hello guys, what is up? BRAG here, and today we'll be unboxing another Parkside product. Today we have here a wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Model number is PNTS 1300 C3. So let's go and see the specifications. So the power consumption is 1300 watts, suction power is 15 kilopascals or 150 millibars, container capacity is 20 liters, accessories included: one suction hose which is 1.8 meters, one crevice nozzle, one floor nozzle, suction pipe, 3 pieces, one paper filter bag, one textile filter bag which is washable, one foam sponge filter for wet vacuuming. There's 1.8 meter suction cable and a power cable length is 4 meters and it is 1300 watts. So let's start unboxing. So first on the top we have manuals, we have some plastic pipes, and come on. The vacuum cleaner itself. Nothing else in the box. So let's open it to see if there's anything else inside. Okay, the first thing we see is the washable dust bag. So inside here we have a suction hose. We have a floor cleaning tip with these brushes and a rubber for wet vacuuming, for vacuuming up liquids. Next we have 4 wheels. Then we have some screws for attaching the wheels. We have a paper bag and a sponge. Okay, so this goes around the motor on the top. Let's see what we have next in here. So we have a handle and a crevice tool. Let's start the assembly. So we take the wheels and we just go and we clip them on. So the wheels are screwed down nice and snug. Let me just screw the handle on. This is it of the unboxing of this Parkside vacuum cleaner. If you like the video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Take care.